Keypad description. Parameter introduction.
F00 Group Basic Functions. F01 Group Parameters of Motor 1. F03 Group Vector Control of Motor 1. F04 Group V/F Control. F05 Group Torque Control. F06 Group Start and Stop Control. F07 Group Control Optimization. F08 Group Input Terminals. F09 Group Output Terminal. F10 Group Auxiliary Functions. F11 Group PID Control. F12 Group Simple PLC and Multi-Step Speed Control. F13 Group Protection Parameters and Fault Records. F14 Group Serial Communication. F17 Group Human-Machine Interface. F18 Group Status by Win. F30 Group Vector Control of Motor 2.
Basic function.
F00.00 VFD type. F00